another video. Today's video, we're going to the Iguana Creek Drag Race. It's a drag race they have around here with just on a field, just dirt, you know, they're smoothing it out. Let's go have a look. Okay, we are about to get started. Everybody's lined up over there. Let me get my drone in the air and get ready to go. Okay, so I'm headed home now from the drag race. So I ended up not making any videos there because it was really loud, it was windy, there was tons of people around, there was just a bunch going on all the time. So instead, I just filmed a bit, and yeah, that's it. So that was a pretty good day. Had some fun flying. I was there with one other FPV pilot, and then while we were flying, we saw another FPV drone. There was an Avata that I saw flying, and then a bunch of minis and Mavics. It was crowded. I almost ended up hitting a drone. I was returning back and I just saw it out of the corner of my eye, so I didn't hit it, but could have been bad. I've often wondered what would happen if an FPV were to hit a Mavic or a Mini, what the extent of the damage would be. But it's a bit too expensive to just do for fun, so I'm not gonna test that. That was a successful day. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. I should probably keep my eyes on the road. I'm driving. Also, check out that sunset. Okay, bye.